Congratulations, brother, for
Hi, Ketan sir. Thank you so much.
yeah, I'm so proud of you. Congratulations for converting IIM Ahmedabad. How does it feel?
It feels normal after clearing at OCS. It's like, okay, this done now, move on to the next.
I just spoke to Gauravi and Chirag. Even they're going to be your batchmate, and they were like, "Sir, just don't know how to behave now, how to react now because freeze हो गए. We समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या करें because we've converted Ahmedabad." So, what's your Pranav background? Can you give me a little idea about your background, please?
I've done a master's in statistics from Delhi University and currently working at American Express.
Oh, now I remember. I took your mock PI, 99.93 percentile, isn't it?
Yeah.
अभी मुझे click हुआ. हाँ, Pranav. Okay, so that's you, by the way. Okay, great, man. Congratulations, Pranav. So it's going to be finance or it's going to be strategic management? What is it going to be now?
Currently, I'm more inclined towards finance, but
Good
kind
choice.
of the inclination is that way. I asked specifically, like, people say that C is said to be the mecca for finance in India. But that's what I want to know. Does that difference really exist now? Because people say it used to be 10 odd years back.
No, so it's very much subjective for the fact. So we anyway going to be covering all these things on Sunday. We're going to have a lecture on Sunday wherein we will be meeting the folks from Ahmedabad, Bangalore, and Cal. So again, it's very much subjective. Yes, definitely C is the mecca for finance, no doubt about it. But when you talk about Ahmedabad, it's going to be like 19-20 ka farak hai. It depends, what sort of academics you carry. And for you, I think you've got a great chance to get a good IB front end also because you're a stats guy, so you should not be worried about it. It doesn't hamper anything, because you're not getting into C because you already have that profile, which is gonna give you the edge. So don't worry about that.
Okay.
Okay. And I hope this journey was good with C2C mentors. We could help.
It was very helpful. The journey helped. It could at least told me what not to do in the interview. Apart from, I think that was very helpful.
Perfect.
And that really helped.
Perfect, Pranav. Won't take much time. Got a lot of other students, going to talk to them.
Sure.
Wish you all the best, dude. And I will see you in the session Sunday 5 o'clock.
Sure, sir. Sure, I will be there.
Have fun. Go have party, man. Party.